to Backyard Bodyworks. I'm Robert. This is going to be our next project. We're going to be putting in a 16 by 20 shed in the backyard. This is just a little teaser video as to what our next project is going to be. I've already got the blocks laid out, and I've purchased the blocks out here, and I'm just kind of getting a roughing in. Now I know this isn't the proper way to put in batter boards, but it's just kind of to mark out where I'm going to be putting when I'm going to be building them. So stay tuned, and follow along for the next project from Backyard Bodyworks. Thank you.